Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm about to show you how you can set default addresses on your Amazon account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to log in into your account. So first of all, open up your web browser and then on the search box type in the link that is www.amazon.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. Once you're logged into your account, next you'll be directed to the home page or the official site. So you can see in the top right there is an option as account and list. From the drop down menu, tap on account. After you tap on account, next page will be directed to your account settings. And then in the left hand side corner there is an option as ordering and shopping preferences. So under it you can see there are multiple options. So then you'll have to tap on your addresses. So right over here you'll find all your information about your address that is linked on your Amazon account. And in case if you want to add a new address, then all you have to do is tap on add addresses and then follow the procedure. In case you want to set your current address as a default, all you have to do is just simply tap on set as default, which is right over here. Once you tap on it, you can see that there is an update as default address change. Now this particular address has been set as a default, so that is how you can set default address on Amazon. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.